the ball very well.
103.94. Terra Firma back within 9. Terrence answers right back. Pero long to lang daw para dito kay Romeo. Kaya pa yung ring doon. Romeo shows him how it's done. Hinayang na hinayang yung buong bench ng Terra Firma doon.
Sayang yun, no?
Terrence at the other side. Trying to dance free of Holt. Stevens sticking right with him. Terrence going all the way around. He gets himself in double digits.
You can't stop him on the one-on-one, okay, but when you stop him now, he looks for his teammates.